I'd like you to address a higher mission here. To paraphrase John Kennedy, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. Likewise, I would ask, what can you say to people of how important it is to really recognize what the chamber is, that they're often supported by the county government, municipality, or city government, what have you. It's just very, very important to understand the importance of the networking and reaching that right audience to help support the chamber, because the more you support the chamber, the more the chamber can then support you. Am I right?
I think that's a fair statement. In every single chamber, they're going to be a little bit different.
Yeah.
We're in a city of 23,000 people, but we're very well connected. And one of the ways that our chamber was able to achieve our point of place in networking was to get involved with everything we could. So whether it was the schools, the nonprofits, some of the business organizations, we're friends with all of them. Our first and highest priority is to advocate for our local businesses and members. And that often means standing up before government and pitching for them and working toward the common goals that the business community has.